Welcome back, guys, to another mind test video where today I'm going to be showing off the woolen mesh creator mod. So let's get into it. So first you want to type in mesh and you will see woolen mesh canvases. Now this mod basically allows you to create any block you would possibly want inside of mind test. It allows you to create mini blocks, I should say. So I'm going to show you how it works. Now you may see there are different sizes. I'm going to just show off this really quickly. This is the 2, this is the 4, and this is the 8. Each one gets bigger, allowing you to create more complex blocks. Keep in mind that a normal block, this is what your block's going to look like in the end. It's going to be tiny, it's going to be like a block. Let me just showcase it to you. So I'm going to go ahead and use acacia bush leaves just to show you that this is going to shrink your canvas. It's going to shrink whatever's inside this. So if you wanted to build a T and you wanted to shrink that T, you would name it whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name it T. Press capture. Oh, it's too short. The T block. There we go. And then it's going to tell you to restart your world. Once you restart the world, you can then type in the block that you just made into your chat and then you can grab it. The T block. As you see, I've created the T block. Wonderful. Now keep in mind it does get rid of textures on side the blocks and it turns them to basic colors. But basically this block allows you to shrink whatever's inside this area, and there's all sorts of them. So if you want to create bigger creations that are more complex, you can, but keep in mind that every time you create the creation it will be shrunk down to one block. Now I want to create a tile block. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. We've created a tile block. Let's call it tile block capture. There we go. We've entered the world. It should now be inside the menu. There you go. We have our tile block. Now keep in mind it is rotatable, so it may be a bit annoying in the fact that you can rotate it, but I suppose that makes more variation with your creations. There we go, we have the tile block. So now that I've showed you how it works, let's tell you some more about it. Manage meshes. You see this thing called manage meshes? If you press this, you will see this, and basically this allows you to delete any of your creations that you've created. So let's just say you accidentally create something and it's not perfect. You can press delete, and then you can edit it over here and then recreate it using the capture button. Or you accidentally name it wrong. Whatever error you make, you can delete them after creating them, which is quite nice. And also it's multiple world compatible. So if you want to build with these blocks that you made on other worlds, just load up the mod, and then since the mod is, I don't know how this works, but somehow the blocks that I made in other worlds are here. Just to prove that, if I type in mesh, you can see all your creations. Just to prove that it does work multiple world compatible. If I create a new world right now and add the mod to it, these blocks will show up. Testing 890. Go ahead and select mods. Go ahead and put the mod in there. Mesh creator, load it up. So if you type mesh, you'll see all your creations are still there. Yep. So yeah, we can use these blocks on any other world that is creative, because you cannot craft these sadly, but it's still really cool to use this mod. So let's go ahead and have some more fun. Let's go ahead and try to create some other things. Let's try to create a chair. And there we go, we made a chair. Let's call this brown chair. Capture. Brown chair. And there we go, we've created a brown chair. Now, what's interesting about these blocks is they're a little bit 3D-ish. So you can kind of interact with them 3D-ish a tiny bit. Not really, because somehow I'm floating on top of this block.
What?
But they're still very nice for decoration, yes. Let's just say you didn't want a block. I've already told you about this, but we're going to go ahead and delete a block that we don't like. The black and gray block. Let's go ahead and delete that. So if I go in here, you will see the black and gray block marked for deletion, and the next time I restart the world, that will be deleted. I'm also going to mark the T block to be deleted. And there we go. The next time I join this world, they will be deleted. As you see, they are deleted. They no longer exist in this world. I recommend using the world edit mod with this because it allows you to create things. It allows you to basically fill things in and make things faster. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and good